What's up, YouTube? It's me, Desmarie, back again with another video. As y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be working with a company called Ft.InColorWig hair. They sent me this frontal highlighted wig. It was 24 inches, I believe. All the details to the hair will be in the description down below. Today I'm going to be using some Got2b glue freeze spray instead of using an adhesive because I'm trying to lay off the lace glue off my edges because my edges is almost gone, baby. It's getting there. To make the process easier, I just cut my lace into 3 sections and glue them down in those 3 sections. I usually start gluing down the middle at first, but right here I'm just doing ear to ear. So I just do like a couple layers of Got2b glue freeze spray, just enough so the wig won't be coming flying off. But I'm not using any lace glue. No lace glue. Make sure you have like a rack tail comb or something so you can press the glue into the lace so it can have that more melted look. I already mentioned this in my other videos, but this is the key to get that white out castaway. You spray a little bit of Got2b glue around the perimeter of your head and just take the blow dryer and press the comb into the lace and just melt it. Right here I'm just doing a little bit of plucking. I didn't pluck much because I wasn't gonna have this wig on for long. Right here, all I'm doing is just sectioning off the hair that I'm going to use for my baby hairs. I just cut my baby hairs above my eyebrows, but if they too long, I just go in and cut some more. And the wig was a little bit too small for my head, so that's why the cap's showing a little bit on the side. I use gel to lay my baby hairs down, and I just go in there and I swoop. I really can't explain how I do my baby hair, so just sit here and watch. It take me so long, but just sit here and just watch, because they're going to be laid. Y'all, I left my pressing comb in my sister's house. I had to use this curling wand. Well, this is it for this install, you guys. Super quick and fast. I really like this color on me. The hair is very soft, little to no shedding. Y'all should really get this wig. All the details to the wig will be in the description down below. All I did was cut some little layers in it because I wanted like a little bit more volume. So, but y'all don't gotta do that. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post. Bye.